Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off a new user Flair on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings and click manage notifications, and here you will find new user Flair. Click on it like this and it should be turned on, and if you want to turn it off, just like this, and it should be turned off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.